Okay, welcome back to another video. I'm just showing you guys that I am going into Tjmaxx to see what they have for Valentine's Day sale, because yesterday was Valentine's Day. I hope all enjoyed, and I'm going in here just to check it out and see what they have for the holiday. I ain't really got nothing on the agenda, but come shopping with me. See you when we get inside. Check this out. Check over here. Of course. See how it look on the inside. If I can get it open. Hold on. Oh, it won't come open. It's stuck on this. It's cute though. Ah, look. Pack it on the inside here. It's cute. It's a crossbody. This one is cute, but it's hooked to the things up there. This is $129. It's cute. Look how big it is. You can carry on. It could be a carry-on, I think. Look at that. You can't open it because it's going to ring if I do. So, look at this one. Yeah. This one here is cute. Look how it opens up. Put it inside there and it opens up. And then in here, this one is $69. It's different. Got a zip on the back. Different. Some white bags though. This is cute. It's a crossbody. I like the guitar string on it. Hey. And a DKNY. I don't want to pull them off. This is Kendall and Kylie bag. It's pink. I like the strap on it. Not bad. How much are they? $12.99. Oh, not bad. Here's this little bag here. It's cute. It goes around your waist. I think it's what, 19. This is cute. Here's another cute little bag. This one's $24.99. It says it's a made in Italy. I said Italian. Cute little bag. Keep your little stuff in it. Here's another one for $24.99. This is cute too. I like the strap on it. Get the strap on it. Okay, here's a Steve Madden. This Steve Madden is $29. I like the strap on it. A different color, but I like the little purses on it. Maybe a different color. I like this little bag, but it's $29. It is cute. And it has a, it says Aldo. What's Aldo? Isn't that like a store or something? Can't remember. At least for little Zori. And this one is $14.99. Just like a little butterfly. That's good enough for her age, right? What is this? Another little charm. That one's cute too. Oh, that one's cute. Here's some more. Oh, there's another butterfly. Here's some little, remember the little necklaces with your initials on it. They are so cute. And there's some more charm bracelets. There's some more earrings and some more necklaces. They're cute little tiny little earrings. They're so small. Like they could fit a baby's ear. That's how small they are. Or just in your ear. If your earlobes are small. I have big earlobes, so I can't wear those.
Ooh, I like
They're
these.
cute though. Look at that.
For $12.99, that is cute, right?
Very cute. And they got the little bears. Very, very cute. Oh, yep, nice.
It's only $12.99. It's cute. I like some glasses. It's about summertime. Spring will be here before you know it. Before you know it. I don't know about these glasses though. That one's kind of alright. Or that one. But it's gray ones. Perhaps. Maybe. I like the matte on them though. Different colors. The same one. Has anyone ever seen this gel dish here? Look at this. It's never seen that before.
Okay, I ended up in Target and look what I found. I found Tabitha Brown on the shelf. Hey, Tab. $15.99 for her cream. And then I moved over. I was looking for hair stuff in Target, but they didn't have the gel that I wanted. But that's the Judy one. Not Judy, that was the Brat. And then there's this black castor oil. I wanted to try those. Anybody ever tried any of these here? Let me know. How about this oil as well? My hair be so dry. And I'll be trying to find things, to keep it moist. So if anybody ever used any of those, let me know in the comments. Please, please. So I need some new hair stuff. And I don't like putting a whole bunch of stuff in my hair. I don't know about everyone else, but not me. I just don't like it. So I'll try to get something, to keep my hair moist and my hair gets super, super dry. Okay, that's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.